Good morning, guys. Good morning, everyone. Good morning, Philippines. Good morning, world. So ngayon, nandito na naman tayo sa labas. So, katatapos ko lang magbayad ng aking insurance, health insurance sa 7-Eleven. Then, proceed tayo para bumili ng ating lunch. So, as of now, here in Taiwan, ang temperature dito is 7 degrees Celsius and feel like 5 degrees Celsius. So, sobrang lamig niya talaga, guys. Nakita mo naman, balot na balot ako. See? Oh. Balot na balot ako. Tsaka lahat ng tao nakabalot talaga dito. Ngayon is just, time check is just only 11 something. 11, quarter to 12, but para siyang 5:30 in the afternoon. So habang naglalakad ako papuntang store para bumili ng lunch box for our lunch. So iikot-ikot ko kayo, itutour ko kayo. Ito siya. Yan yung MRT. Lakad-lakad tayo. Sobrang lamig. As in. Luray-luray na yung buhok ko. Dahan-dahan lang. So this is my place here in Taiwan. Actually, Taipei. Nasa Niho district kami, but part of Taipei. So, malapit na tayo sa store. And naka-stop siya, so we need to wait. Then, ipapakita ko muna sa inyo yung view while we are waiting to stop the stoplight. Matagal to nag-go eh. Ang dilim niya, guys, para siyang paggabi na. Alam mo, pag ganito winter dito, most of the people is still wearing mask. Kasi pag ganito winter, yung flu niya is malakas din. Parang COVID din. Lamig! Luray-luray na talaga yung buhok ko. Kumusta kayong lahat, guys? Sana ay okay lang kayo kasama ng inyong mga mahal sa buhay. So, enjoy lang kayo saan man kayo naroroon and stay safe always. And always pray all the time. So, kung ano man yung mga pinagdadaanan nyo ngayon sa buhay, just always remember na there is a sunshine after a long and heavy rain. So, okay, let's go! Nakago na siya. So, I'm almost in the store for the lunch box. So, there is a Starbucks here. Yeah. is Starbucks. Saka ito na yung store na bibilhin ko ng lunchbox. This one. Dito ako bibili ng, tawag nila dito pentang. Yung sama-sama na yung pagkain. So, as of now, hanggang dito na lang tayo. So guys, always keep safe everyone. And God bless us all. So for those who haven't subscribed yet to my channel, I am asking you a favor. Please do subscribe, like, and share, and kindly click the notification bell for more updates. So guys, that's all for today, and bye for now. Bye-bye!